Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. These are general collective readings, Libra, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin your reading. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Libra, let's begin your reading. Let's see what wants to show up for you today. And welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for supporting this channel. I'm so grateful. And if you're new here, Libra, of course, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Oh, 10 of Wands, center of my spread. Somebody is feeling very overwhelmed, feeling very burdened. And why? Because there's been some kind of stagnation in this connection, Libra. Maybe you and your person, there's no movement right now. There were some secrets here. Somebody's feeling very overwhelmed now, very emotional, maybe wanting to reconcile, maybe take a love offer now, but still kind of trying to protect themselves because they're afraid. They're feeling very overwhelmed. They do see their partner as the perfect partner for them, and they do want to invest. They're not happy with the way things have been going. Now somebody sees a future. Somebody sees that they want to have long term. They see their person as their long term potential partner, but there is still a lot of stress and burden. I don't know. Let's see. Libra, what I'm going to do is start with some dialogue message cards. See if what you guys would say to each other if you could, right? And then we'll clarify these cards. So Libra and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Ooh, lot of energy. All right, let's take a few more from here. Libra and their person. Libra and their person. Libra and their person. Libra and their person. I'm getting another storyline here looking at these cards here, Libra. Maybe somebody was keeping secrets here about a third party. Maybe just being a flirt or wanting to offer their cup to lots and lots of people. And that was their way of guarding themselves. But now it seems, because they never put in the investment. Okay, let me not talk about the spread right now. Let me start with the dialogue message cards because my mind is racing looking at these cards. Okay, so the first card I have here, Libra, for you says, your coded cryptic messages and failure to answer questions drives me up the wall. If you're worried that the karmic is going to see, just call me and tell me the effing truth. It's the least I deserve. I feel so guilty when I'm intimate with anyone else. During sex, all I can think about is you. I get so high thinking of you that it's only ever you that makes me orgasm. See, my intuition was correct. There was some friends with benefits or many other people in the mix with this romantic hero out here. Okay, you changed. You were keeping secrets from me. See, I told you there were secrets being kept. 1 minute we were talking like best friends, and then you distanced yourself from me. Every time it happened again, we grew further and further apart. I miss the old us. It really hurts me to keep my distance, but I just can't give you what you deserve at this time. I hunger for your touch, your kiss, and the warmth of your body. I want and I need you now. So they want everything, but they don't want to give what the other person actually deserves. I'm planning a romantic trip for us to reconnect. I want to cherish you with loving adoration. You were in my dreams again last night. I always dream of you every night. You're my ultimate fantasy. I know I hurt you. Please forgive me. I'm healing my heart from past hurt. Give me some time. All right, Libra, there is stagnation here, that's for sure. Nothing is moving at the moment from what I see. So let's see where the storyline is going from here. I'm going to start with some angel blessing, one angel blessing card to see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. So blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Libra, please. It's time to bring some sweetness and generosity back into this connection, Libra. There has to be give and take, because without that, things are never going to move from what I feel. It's time to be kind, it's time to give, it's time to reciprocate. Trying to, I don't know. Let's see, let's clarify these cards. What's this moon card, Spirit? What's this moon card for Libra? Moon, what's hidden behind the shadows here? Whatever secrets were kept here, I think, led to a loss of a very, very big love here, Libra. Somebody is feeling very, very emotionally upset, I think, scared, fearful that they may have lost the love of their life. They've lost their Queen of Cups, who's in reverse now. There is nothing being offered by this Queen of Cups anymore. It's all drained out. The love is, you see the moon card, there's the moon and there's the river. Okay, I think all this love has been poured into this river and has flown away because of maybe secrets which were being kept in this connection. So Three of Cups, yes, now somebody is they're regretting big time. Somebody is not happy at all. Maybe there were third parties and they now are kind of feeling bad about what they've done, because now there are these 3 cups spilled to the ground as well. And I had the 3 of Cups here. So maybe this was somebody who was bringing in third parties, overindulging in behaviors which killed this connection. Yes, made some very, very foolish mistakes in their life, which they have a lot of regret for. So Knight of Cups now, Spirit. Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups. Somebody, though they do want to move forward, I think, with a romantic offer or even maybe a commitment now, they don't have the strength anymore. They are figuring, or they're realizing that too much of imbalance has been created in this connection. There has been no investment put in the past, and that's why they've lost this big cup of love, right? Now somebody is here feeling very sad, very rejected, very bored with life. None of these 3 cups are even enticing them anymore. And that big cup of love which was offered straight from the universe, I don't think this person saw it. They were so busy in their, fantasies and their romancing everybody, whoever they could find. But now this person is feeling, oh my God, what do I do? 9 of Wands, 9 of Wands, 9 of Wands. I think this Queen of Cups has now got her barriers up big time. Now, this is what... Okay, so what's this, Spirit? 9 of Wands. Somebody wants to try for one more time. They don't want to lose the soulmate connection. This person now wants to come and have some clear talk or some communication to say, hey, can we make this work? Can we have equal partnership? Let's have an equal give and take. Let's begin again. I want to try one more time. I don't want to lose this soulmate connection. I miss you. I miss our, friendship or connection. And I'm ready to fight for this one more time. I don't want to live in this place where I'm always feeling, stressed out or bored or thinking or overstressing. They want to come out of this feeling and want to try for this connection, I think, one more time. But then there is this 10 of Wands in the center. Why is that, Spirit? 10 of Wands. 10 of Wands. I think this is the Queen of Cups who's now become the Queen of Pentacles. And I think somebody here with this offer says, I'm not sure whether I want to have a go around of this connection again. I've been giving it a thought. I've been in hermit mode all this while that you've been playing games with me or maybe flirting with other people. I've kind of become, connected to my spiritualism. I've got my answers. I feel another go around with this is not going to push me in the right direction. And I already have enough burdens in my life. I can't take on anything else which is going to, hurt me again. I think this other person who they kind of are kind of feeling pretty good about their life. Yes, they're quite stable in their own life. They're taking care of business. They're taking care of themselves. They are sitting in their prime, looking good, feeling good, earning well. And they feel anything that didn't bring them this 10 of Cups in the first place, it's better that I don't move towards it and drop this burden altogether, because I want to concentrate on myself, on my pentacles, and take care of myself. And maybe people who care for me, I'd rather be there for them than give somebody else a chance who's always brought me emotional unhappiness. Somebody here is thinking of dropping this connection altogether and not being part of this other person's plan to come back. 7 of Pentacles, Spirit. 7 of Pentacles. Yes, this Queen of Pentacles is saying this person never really put in the investment. They never invested. I mean, all they gave me was conflict. All they did was create drama in my life, create conflict. There was no peace, there was no commitment, there was no, investment in this connection. 7 of Pentacles. Yes, the Queen of Pentacles says all the secrets are now out. I know too much I've seen too much to now unsee. There's too much of proofs, too much of things have been done and said in front of me which I can't now disregard. I can't forget about whatever has happened or whatever I know, whatever I've seen. Things are very clear now. I mean, whatever this person was hiding, the Moon card was the first card, right? Whatever this person was hiding has now, everything is out in the open now. And it doesn't make me feel very good. 10 of Pentacles. Yes, this person is already on their journey to manifest the 10 of Pentacles for themselves. They don't want any fighting. They don't want any immature behavior. They've made their decision that I do not want a reconciliation. I'm no longer waiting for this past person anymore. I'm looking to create my own 10 of Pentacles. I want stability in my life. Maybe with somebody new or even by myself, I'm okay. I have all the tools I need to manifest a beautiful brand new future for myself. I mean, I'm looking forward now. I want to see what else is out there. I've already turned my back on this. So let's see. 10 of Pentacles, Spirit. 10 of Pentacles. 10 of Pentacles. Yes, person B, I'm saying this person person B, I think the feminine energy here, the Queen of Pentacles, who doesn't want to go back to this other person who was a flirt. They feel that I'm no longer confused now. I've made up my mind. This person kept me as an option. This person kept me very confused all the time, but I've just gotten out of that confusion. I've been in hermit mode. I've kind of sorted my life out, and I've made my choice, and I chose me now, and I'm manifesting something wonderful for myself. 3 of Wands. 3 of Wands. What are they manifesting, Spirit? 3 of Wands. 3 of Wands. They're manifesting a brand new commitment, maybe. They're manifesting somebody who will actually be there for them for the long haul. They don't want to give any second chances to a past person. They don't want to go back to competition. They don't want to go back to fighting. They don't want to go back to a place where they felt disrespected or having to compete for that person's attention. I think this Queen of Pentacles has already decided that it's better left this way. Anything else for Libra, Spirit? Anything else for Libra? One more. Yes, there is an Empress here who says, I no longer want to grow with this person. I am not looking for any forward movement. I don't think this can work out. There is no working together. This person brings in third parties, or we never get on the same page. I don't see any forward movement or any abundance or happiness going forth with this person. What about the other person, Spirit? Anything for them? The person who was doing the cheating? I don't know, Libra, which one you are, so I'm going to take 2 cards for both of you. So what about the other person, Spirit? Oh, they're going through a lot of depression. This is almost being unwell here. They have no clarity about where they're going in life at the moment. They feel their forward movement has been halted. There is no clarity. They have no focus left anymore. And this person's going through a lot of depression. So the person who doesn't want to go back, I would just recommend be a bit compassionate with this person. I think maybe they've learned their lesson now, maybe a bit too late, or maybe that's their karma that they have to go through to get rejected by you. But just be a bit kind and generous and be sweet. They're already hurting big time from what I feel. Sitting here totally feeling rejected, bored, abandoned, sad. So that's all I have for you, Libra. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.